Hello, today we will guide you through how to add indicator in Thinkorswim. In this walkthrough, we'll add the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, to a chart using the built-in Studies menu. RSI is a popular momentum indicator that helps you quickly gauge whether a symbol may be overbought or oversold, so it's a great place to start if you're building out your charting tools. Begin by opening the Thinkorswim app or web platform. Give it a moment to load your workspace. Make sure you're on the trading interface and that a chart is visible. If you don't see a chart yet, select the chart view so the price graph is front and center. Having the chart active ensures the platform knows which panel you want to modify. Next, look toward the chart's toolbar for the studies control. Depending on your layout, it's typically at the top of the chart area. This is the hub for adding indicators. Click on Studies to open the menu. You'll see options to add, edit, and organize technical studies from here. With the Studies menu open, move your mouse to hover over Add Study. Don't click yet. Just hover. This expands a list of ways to browse indicators. Now hover over All Studies. This shows the complete library, organized alphabetically into grouped folders so you can find tools quickly without memorizing their exact names. In the alphabetical list, navigate to the section labeled RS. This is where indicators starting with letters R through S are grouped. Keep your mouse on that group and then locate RSI. When you see RSI in the list, click it. The indicator is immediately applied to your active chart. You should now see the RSI panel appear, usually beneath the price chart. By default, it's often set to a 14-period calculation with horizontal guide levels near 70 and 30. Values near 70 can hint at overbought conditions, while values near 30 can hint at oversold conditions. You don't need to adjust anything to start using it. Just watch how the line moves as price action unfolds. If you prefer a different look or period later, you can revisit the same studies area to fine-tune settings or remove the indicator. If the studies option isn't visible, confirm the chart area is selected and not covered by another panel. Also, different themes or window sizes can shift where the control appears, so try expanding the chart if needed. That's it. You opened the platform, focused on the chart, used Studies, hovered over Add Study, went to All Studies, found the RS group, and clicked RSI. You're ready to analyze momentum with confidence.